Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to BSS Online Education. Today we'll discuss from class 4 level up maths book exercise 13.4. So the first question is list the numbers between 2 and 30 that do not appear in the multiplication table. So we'll get some in between 2 and 30 there are some numbers which we cannot get in any multiplication table. So that numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So why we don't get these numbers in the multiplication table? Because these numbers we can only find these numbers by multiplying these numbers with 1. So we can only get these numbers in their times table. Like for we can get 2 only in 2 times table, 3 times table, but we cannot make these numbers by multiplying any other different numbers. For example, 10. We can get 10 by multiplying 10 and 1. 10 ones are 10. We can also get 10 by multiplying some different numbers. That is, we can get 10 by multiplying 2 and 5. So these are completely two different numbers. We can get 10 by multiplying these two numbers. So that's why we can get 10 in the times table. Similarly, we can get 15. 15 we can get by multiplying 15 and 1. Also, we can get 15 by multiplying two completely different numbers, that is 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. But these numbers here between 2 and 30, we cannot get them by multiplying any other numbers. So these numbers has a special name. These numbers are called prime numbers. So what is a prime number? There is a note that prime numbers are the numbers that are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So this type of numbers are called prime numbers, which these numbers are not divisible by any number except 1 and the number itself. For example, here 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number, so we can only get 7 by here 7 is a prime number, so we can get get 7. We cannot divide 7 by any number except 7 and 1 and 7 itself. It can only divide it by 1 and 7 itself. So this is a prime number. Now in number 2, look at the numbers below, separate the prime numbers and non-prime numbers and then write them in correct column. So prime number and not prime number. So similarly, we have to find, we have to divide these numbers by each number, then we can decide that whether this number is divisible by any number. If it is not divisible by any number, then they are prime numbers, and if it is divisible by any number, then it is not prime numbers. So we have to mainly check divisibility by 2, by 3, 5, 10. So how can we know that which number is divisible by 2? First of all, we have to notice whether it is an even number or not. If any number is an even number, that number will not be a prime number. Only one exception, that is 2. 2 is the only number that is even and also prime. Except 2, all other even numbers are not prime numbers. So then next we have to check by whether it is divisible by 3. So how can we understand whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? An easy way to do this is if we add the digits of a number. So for example, 51. 51, what are the digits of 51? 51 digits are 5 and 1. Now if we add these two digits, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now if we see that whether 6 is divisible by 3 or not, we know that 6 is divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So as the sum of these digits are divisible by 3, that means the whole number will be divisible by 3. That means 51 is divisible by 3. For example, 47. 47, the digits are 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is 11, but 11 is not divisible by 3. That's why 47 is not divisible by 3. Then for divisible by 5, we can see that whether the last digit of the number is 0 or 5. If it is 0 or 5, then this will be divisible by 5 and it will not be a prime number. Then divisible by 10, we have to see the last digit. If the last digit of this number is 0, then it will be divisible by 10, then also it will not be a prime number. So hope you understand. Thank you.